Member of Parliament for Fijasia Sokore, Dr. Nana Yaw free. Se Finance Minister, akoto to nanumutio. Dr. Ade Akye Abia said, National Health Insurance Authority, one more Ade Sikano Afifa baby and the same commodity Fifa. Now I say, on Yais Asem na Okanana Omepa Ghana for Cha no pa and penny for health insurance child because they wanted to cap the national insurance levy. Oman who said they cannot do it. And ordinary abobo adumni adan. Also say diversion of national health insurance levy process no enye no kre. And until the doctor free ye akasa wo ho.
You say the NHIA faces a shortfall. Our expectation is that the NHIL is raking in fund of about 11 billion. We would want to know what has been actualized. Then we can know what is the meaning of a shortfall. In our expectation, during the campaign of the NDC, and reference to page 102 of their manifesto, and also the current president, he stated that they are going to uncap the NHIA. Ladies and gentlemen, what uncapping means is this: the previous made 8 billion last year, but it allocated 6.4 billion to the NHIA. What it means is that government takes some bit of the money from the health fund to support its budget. However, the whole world was made to understand that that concept or practice by the MPP government was inimical. And the campaign by the NDC was they would make all the revenues available to the NHIA. I think that having gone into office, the Minister of Finance sees that it is so difficult to uncap, which means it is so difficult to give all the resource envelope from the health fund to the National Health Insurance Authority. The only way to go about it is to say that there is misuse of resources and also there's a shortfall. It is not true. They are passing the buck. And I want the finance minister to accept and to admit, to apologize to the people of this country.
Okay. Anunti eno edahona NDC voter caucus and I almost call Mrashebeje fie koye demonstration. Now mo demonstration no at Parliament no ni nyina ye now Deputy Health Minister meboa Zanato ya tese yesi ekoye ne deputy no kra wo mri ye say
enyan confirm
but yate
ase ye nam ne ye tete
me nam na me tete now almost them to say it's unheard of so obi betimi agina Mrashebeje fie aka daughter of a medra at the NDC voter caucus and some of come ayente almost 70 be
member of the Fourth Republic of this fourth Parliament, and we walk through the hallowed walls of this Parliament and lay the solid foundation upon which our democracy is being built today. We worked in this house, we operated in this house with a sense of responsibility, sense of duty, diligence, and patriotism. Never in the course of the 16 odd years that I was a member of Parliament for Keta in this hallowed chamber did we hear some of the comments that have been attributed to some honorable members of the House, which for me is a huge I don't know the right word to use to the democracy that we are enjoying.
Me mama Anita di so edo train command pay. Mama Anita di so me mo atwe o.
Everything.
Me ho ya pa na wo so
Yanko part of what they are saying and pay.
Yo, enra mo e ka kire wiase nyina se niam bi esi wo mrahye bedwafie eye new sem se obi betimi atena mrahye bedwafie no aka kire Senator Rollins say daughter of a medra etimo the petition akoma eye speaker so won hwe na de wo so ye wo ho waye e ba chaw de na ma mu tu sa na mo no
Na me da se bebre na mechia etiefo enyina ene se na ekoba ene se parliament ema MPP fo ni bi ekasati a ye Papa Rollins JJ Rollins na asam na oka ye se ye papa no oyobi on de okum nkrofo no kanchira ye nuaba azaneto na zano meme yanwe me chira zaneto chira darkness must cease and paso papa yi ba ye no ene Ghana fo anya yasundwi emra wo mututu ne more ye na yakayaka de Ghana fo bebrere afi na sene enu 1992 constitution aba ni ediso a na munyina mo wo parliament ye nim se ye nyina ye abusia je se ye party na asesa wo na wo bi a wanya ne ba bi kɔ wo mo na enim kwan wo mo fa so kwan ye papa fa so kɔ ye no anya ye de aya te se nkrofo pese wo mu bu anwrafo anim tia ye ntena hɔ mo obi mu ye anim tia o because ye no ba bi efi no ewa na baby efi no nso no ya nyen yetete yen anwonafo nti niema bi wo hɔ a nipa ya na ya yedin ni yehwe no nkyɛ sɛ bi etimifo papa no awi ne baby kɔ na wo didi ne batem nti e ba asa no na ye anwonafo no yenso ye ka bo mu ene ye de kɔ parliament so obi aso onimu ni wo kan and you call parliament into parliament speaker Yamin Shrano Oma only pakro 1 week. That's only pakro and Pia Bontia Macas and Papa Bia and Chaya and Paya Chawa. On in a bushon benum. It is a Nabusia for 8 yemia. Omunyas and Papa bin country or Mobano on Pia no Meca. Say am pamena mekai ene wo na wo kai edi enti na wo kai etie di nyina na wanu hu a ye ja bibia manaka enti ubi sa me enra ade ekoye no ye ntena se e man krofo nkeka yanim na anwura
ma me na wo ka se mo man na wo twenya sa one na busua benu nu hu a uchire makosi sai Osi mama ne na awotwe na se wampia bontena one na busuafo benu omo ho uchire mo sisai
oh sir speaker ama womo 1 week
okay
and so 1 week na ye twen ntino onim sa amepa ne chow na kwa obefa so asade no obepepa wapepa anya sa ye ni beti samra o court o wana bi ni o
no ebi o hopa
enti ye de ne beko na next time se be make sure say baby o ye MP no anwrani bi anto aba wo e ma no da wan hwe ani seat no kura no ye be ya ama na bo no e be ma anwrafo e wo ho no next election so mo ntoma no ye nya ayi no nkrofo ake kasa we ye nim ayi by heart Rollins no wanu akoku no ku na esi ye no omu Rollins no oshutu obi ana na eyaw na onu su frem no ye hu Yesu Kristo ye den obeda ni Yesu Kristo ye na Judas enyi na manka na me ne wa ye Kristo fo na nka na ye betumi akasa ye wa agenkwa ni achichi papa ya ye bibia ni nyina echi ogyinam na ya benya ahudi a ya fa ya ho adi a ni ya yesa obi wa wutumi hia no me ma yi bi eda na ye ko baby no ni pako ni me ya na angrafo de na angrafo na me shut up. Hey, na ni ta da ya na me 100%. Dia de ni e kan say yempa problem yen nyina Ghana for nipa baako mo bi nkasa we ye tani we ye angrani we ye ya de ni e kan no.
Okay.
Speaker man 1 week. Enye na ma speaker na ma e speaker so e bunu nti ne apene so no. Enti oni ma na busiafo otie me a. Omo nsore ntam na wo mo ba na confirm. Na bibi wo kwa wo so ye ma yen ne e bodwe yen a. No aya amai.
Okay.
Na ko bi obebie na no asa kata asem no. Wan hwe yi a. Na si he ya.
Bami Fausia, Madam Anita de Soso, and I'm what say ordain and no dissemobano. And right, there was chaos in Parliament. Na dear Neko Fabai. Edom Cassia no so Modoson to Omocatria. Nadom Kuma Kawan. Na no, and I found your marking in the dome. And I had gason in the dome. A wholesome. Na yɛhwɛ scenes kakra nneɛma ɛkɔ so Parliament no yɛhwɛ kakra na yɛntwɛ na ɛnumu no afɛnyɔma ken ɛstate so ɔkasa. Get us the videos and let's hear what happened.
What type of digitalization is that? That you digitalize, take my biodata on a card, and when I appear, I'm not important, but the card that is lying at home is important. Go to your bank today and not carry your Ghana card. There is proper digitalization so that when you appear at the bank, you can access your data and be processed, and that is digitalization. That is going to be spearheaded by a blueprint that will form each other champion. What is going on here? What is going on here? No. What is going on here? You will not announce it. What's going on here? What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? No. What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? What's going on? It will not happen. What's going on in this chamber? Where? What's happening in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? Osofo, Osofo. Members, order. What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? What? Yes, I'm aware my mic is on. What's going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber?
Na we nyina akoso abra edom kase no se wo mo doso enti debate na omo ye on the sona no omo wo MDC afa no omo kasa miensa na omo so akasa baako no se MNC enti there was complete chaos omo so omo printer na omo ye 10 krana baako kasa wa ha na baako akasa wa ha na adongo no okasa na ono de nra enyom no to ye se ba wo me abako go slaves bebre yentie adongo.
Mr. Speaker, it is only under this government that when Boakye digitalizes is an info educator. We digitalize to bring forth posts at national service. That is what the digitalization is about. Mr. Speaker, Boakye is an info again. Mr. Speaker, we live in a country where after 8 years, some people cannot show us a completed functioning hospital. All they have are uncompleted projects and at various stages of completion. We have been hearing various stages of completions till 2017. When are you going to complete them? Of course, Boakye uncompleted project degree. Now, Mr. Speaker, when you leave an economy that is struggling to pay its debt, you want us to invite you to a banquet? economy where your best strategy was to borrow recklessly, default in payment, and declare bankruptcy? Do you want the president to come smiling when he's delivering this gloomy picture that you have given him? If that amounts to lamentation, then so be it.
Enti no ena nitiwu so sorry Kasai, former defense minister on Mahama's economy.
The NPP record of economic growth under Akufo-Addo is higher than what we came to meet under Mahama. The record of per capita income is higher than what we came to meet. The record of agricultural growth is higher than what we came to meet. The record of industrial growth under NPP Akufo-Addo is higher than what you came to meet. Mr. Speaker, the record of job creation is higher than what you came to meet. It's higher, ours is higher than what we met. Mr. Speaker, the record of fiscal deficit is higher than yours. The record on primary balance, my sister will expatiate, is higher than yours.
Okay, so that is Nitu for you. Now, Ababa Waya, the Hobede Jema, Emma Omanhene John Dramani Mahama, Krako Kase, what is here say, Abia Janin to declare, what declare the wanted their home, some Bibru, say Omanhene to me, so to declare will be wanted and let the court of competent decision know. Eurano wako jojo ne ho one ni kunu enti video na beto jabra o free airport o ba ne ade yen hweka kwa jojo ne ho no bedu yen soso no wo otene ba bi eno an picture ba kwa am hwe ye na or beach. Eji okoi maybe okoi and will free okoji na ni kakra. So mo ko tournament. Anti anu de But your hold as to whether say who na wo say said and me I'm not in the known. Eti ukas or said that there. Eti the abeto jano say oko holidays. Eti from the holidays no be join him a Black Queens on the tournament.
Then she went through some election money man.
Eti oko jojo no. Anade. Be say
nipa na o contest ye mu kra no.
Anade. Don't you see some people cry more than they believe? There's some now can. You will help you lose the seat and have no time. Police station executive. Yahweh may say. You will be on man. I will show us. One more year election to me ban or woo. What is MPB charge here with that? And so a party official. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Support a bit to me charge you. Now, executives of Omo we champagne yourself.
Kotoko ne MPP difference room.
Difference in it.
Kotoko
no. Yahweh. Yahweh make us some back on trail. Assembly say you will be on man. NDC winning elections. Watching any change your mama. Now no on the baby boom mine. Then I hear what they over Shasia. Yeah, every give to worry. So what did they mean preacher? What did they mean because of MPP? And to know be a nay, cow sorry, can this one in a Morocco?
No. So almost say she suffered from election there. No election shock. No to no none na cause no fees MPP be win election.
Oh, Yahweh. Hello there afterthought. There what can I afterthought?
Hey. Everything BBR was clear on the wall say and go for almost so many man it
was clear in your eyes.
In their eyes too.
About your TV.
In their eyes.
Yahweh.
It was very clear.
Yaw. Wona woka.
Akuta Chairman Sabon su betena ha. And now only needing come. The news, the things were talking they were going to
Yahweh. There have been issues when you see say Ade way there's a possibility to say Abia
Abia 50
and I say 50
but at no point and now 50-50 or more was a car no crowd with him no more de kono. Just a month for view of Mumpony about you say MPP about here.
But the bottom line is at the end of the day we'll lose elections. And one no say when that election
about me. Wow,
tenacity. I mean, got some joke. Yaw, Timmy. You were election trauma.
My Boakye, one on one swing.
Now, my Boakye, no. And now I say, I go for the buy. I go to your mama buy finance ministry at Nisi Kaman. 640 million.
Finance minister so about movie.
You see?
Also movie.
Yeah, they are so Canada, Japan concert. A car or the abandoned dinner no buy or as if say, or you move. Meanwhile, so finance minister also say, or mobile your payment. Contract it says kind of free. You see the nonsense propaganda. Almost starting your mono. Canada started so also to and masses here. You better say I Canada. What the baby?
So I have to be that's a part of opposition because I would also enjoy that is the impression.
And the impression is on no one call Nakrana.
But my make a camera can upon my me say mammy.
Oh yeah, Urania mammy. Oh the young girl was a mammy papa. Did you already what you say I'm a friend of mammy? Oh yeah, Ura.
I Ray. Say I'm a baby mamma declare wanted. You be I wanted. Was what declared before you wanted. Say at least. I was saying
your mom and declare wanted.
Or declare independent be wanted.
No, so I declared wanted. I'm a belly your mama small kind. Now lawyer foreman who say want to me yes sir. And yes sir, and can a random peep airport date time I know they arrive yes I can play neighbor.
So anyone was say Mammy, I go down the mama, the artist, I'm invited on. That is my
Asante, this is what you tell you say. You can sit on radio and sit anywhere and make allegations.
So all this while, no, there was no endemic.
No. If Wababedu, be almost by human face or your ban, they want to let him rest, rest, relax, and everything. Me yes, you say, Abrante Bakuno invite no. Deputy Director Bakuna, or in charge of operations.
Omanhene
Yaw no invited no way no musro no. They fix Abia, they are giving a human face. And the Nipa Bebre are condemning that Amel Kumfi, the way a man I call far no man. It's right now no. A rather bedu. Only baby I call. Maybe by the close of day, she can be invited. I don't think that Rambo style, you know, we are not in a junta government.
Since we majani say yes, one can fee. I could have a engineer and the tools I could we so from Uduru Airport. We want to turn anywhere now with the Orban Crano.
That's all Bani Amani lies to be BN who has some good.
I would be BN what they be BN, but BN one now over Sia Quaco Fieno. At the Chiamunsem, and then never to me. Then I said, I saw back. What I call our Pia Bonting. Now Pia Bonting or Aquacha Bonting, whom so mamma never now by our mamma. Would that go more? Aquata Okotok a Tessono. Just that
woman by name gives your worry has a right to be heard. Whether the allegations are ripe or otherwise. No, but what I'm telling you is how. We are not in a state of you say quagma say at the moment no. I say we there are some 2 ways she for 8 years. She the abai you.
She are troubled.
And fear watching opening a brabo by we 8 years. Abai before about our chum. A siama and somebody can fan ho. A buy where your governor is here. Oh, Yaw. Let's not give the politician the luxury of those allegations. When they come to power, beautiful. The best I'm trying to say, and no, I am sure yes, say independent be. Kredo Ajimai, Rollins bufu akufu those times. It was Kredo Ajimai. It's our candidate for 8 years. Kojina wa Kufu Obeko no mu declare nolly prosecute. Oh, according to say political persecution. If this woman has been found wanted, let the law take its effect. But let people know. And we had this guy. People tell you, say, a foot official. Double track, double salary. You did this, I go see him. And over that day, Mama has to solve.
That is the president. I'm following the anymore, especially on all runners. Say by end of March, people will not take them serious. Yes, 1 million about 500,000. When you a 10,000 cry and nobody to opposition. No, Ejina Sadio, we are so someone who are yes, oh my. If you watch him, K5 boys, girls, Basitali, what can I not do? If he say, what did they? Hello, come church, I will go to this. We say, your money, baby, channel. Yaw, what food is in your mouth? You don't talk about you. That persecution, this how I'm watching. On my self persecution, you don't expect it to last more than 4 or 5 years. Someone's open evidence. The only one say, God, there is what is called a propaganda, and there's what is called law. Which way you did now? I'm a kind of phone you Papa, why you crop for? But who can't just a court of Buano? And it's one say, this, and on the MPP 4 years did they, and the way you mentioned to wait, a Korea Sieno. For evidence, if you watch it, had you only years, Edu Agungu. If you watch it, had you only year a Dr. Puni. If you watch it, Dr. Parker Sin Dumnum, and if you watch it, Akota NDC 2009. There are many ways of killing the cat. They late Kabra. Yes. Betty Modidusu, we will jail them. Yes, jail them. Eye kasa akota hwese wo yawe me pewaye obibi aho akota se many abrepa na se me pewaye obibi a me go out and then talk etoda very kufo wo se dey akota etoda na fa nipa o ikana no tu mo no wo de chachu tu Salome kwabra what is why dey then about I am much ado about nothing. The noise is too much. Keep quiet. Let keep quiet. Your persecution and your prosecution will be perfect. Now you bet you have to say Nipa omanyo omo moto ni mako egu be say 50 80 there am the other omo dem what you say almost omanya 700 omanya 700 cases Google for say minim nipa okotena almost said that of go Joseph and around 357 dollar is 15 point something obviously about 8 3 o'clock when they now go say man no na na eba o 3 o'clock no obo say Google a you say dollar 80 me ba join ma there am for crack o do obo say we are kwala ba o obo say wana akọ that's the reality kwaji gobo they got just say over $6 8 Ghana cedis obo power suit I was your governor also to from my offices. Only governor ba kono kase ko wetim dia bad beat. I would also $1 nim. Ah, om si dum so $1 nim. E botre a about $3 $8 cedis. But about $4 corner $50 cedis. If you do so. Ako dollar ni muti. Utabi about $3.
About $3 no alaba.
No do about to master is someone that
shoes ba. What baby afa. Abuja for your daddy cover. Na Zimko e dey abeg no Real Madrid chere so me Real Madrid. Na no me ni ba the crazy e. PSV Ade 7-1.
Oh yeah. Arsenal.
Oh,
Omo team ni yo. Na say a lack of confidence.
Omo si happen for na koye. Real Madrid there.
But Real Madrid we want to know about Simone said do baby na we take it like onimbo. Na say no boy wo there. What you make ka one I saw very game no. Na I say ball passing.
Real Madrid in shey because
when that old man came
Alvarez na wake ka omo.
Julian Alvarez.
Any Lorente mo no. Omo team. Real Madrid should not joke.
The
boys
Lohot defense says.
Lohot kakaka.
Rade.
I don't know. Almost second match.
Yeah. 10 minutes.
That guy is strong.
But almost on the statue of Timo.
I saw no. Why to say Ole Gunnar Solskjaer?
Sure.
Those types.
Second half super sub.
Or your super sub. Onyaba.
Then no buy now.
Hello, I have to say, I ran to you to say, Man City akoya go.
Aguero.
There be Man City ayi. Ellen Haaland. So I don't see I'm saying Chrome Hall baby. I don't see a Scandinavian. One more day.
So hot for no.
Stay tuned. Tip off with Zinco.